Yeah, I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig-related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you haven't, my little doll babies, hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. Meow, 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 meow. I don't know. So, I just finished doing this face and I filmed it to get ready with me. So I had bought a bunch of things from the 21 Days of Beauty sale, and then Sephora also has the same products on sale for half off if they carry it on the same times that Ulta does, and it was free shipping and everything like that. So that is when I grab up stuff that I've either wanted for a long time or stuff that I use all the time, and I grabbed it up at 50% off. Like I said, I did a full face of stuff that I have in here. I'll link that video, but I just want to go over the rest of the products that I got, and if you want to see videos using any of them, if you want me to do like a second get ready with me, I can. But let's go ahead and start with the stuff. Let's start with the stuff from Ulta. So the first thing that I got was this Murad Brighten and Trial Kit. I've been really trying to focus on my skincare. I follow a YouTuber, her name is Dr. Dre, like Andrea, and she's a dermatologist. I love her channel, I'll link it, and I really follow the things that she says. I don't just do skincare willy-nilly. I will be doing a skincare video. I don't normally do that just because skincare is so personal, but people have asked me, so I will share. But I really got this kit. This kit was originally $49 and it was 50% off. And it has the Essential Vitamin C Cleanser, a Virus Shield, which I've heard a lot about, the Dark Circle Corrector, and then the Daily Moisturizer with Broad Spectrum SPF 30. That's so important because that's really what's going to keep your skin looking nice, is if you make sure that it doesn't get sun damage. I have a little bit of sun damage on top of my lip. Sometimes you'll notice, depending on if I'm wearing the proper makeup or not, there's some darkening here. It's called melasma, and I am really good, and I have been really good about hats and sunglasses and sunscreen, but right above the lip, apparently, you know, I don't know if it's partially like my skin color, but my upper lip did not do so well. You can fade it. It does take a few months, so I am working on that. And when I do my skincare video, I'll share the products that I'm using to do that. I did get this. This is just random in here. This is from Marshalls. These are the Velour Lashes. They do sell them at Sephora. They're pretty expensive, but I got these for $7.99. They're usually, it says 14 and up. I think these are usually more in the $20 to $30 mark. This is the Live-In Lashes is the style. That just happened to be in this box. So I got this Sun Bum lip balm, and it is SPF. That is one thing to really think about, is like your lips, so I got that. One of the main things that I got that were 50% off that I was so excited to get is this Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder. I use this exclusively for my hairline and in the part. This is in the color Cool Beige 10. You can see I'm hitting pan on this. This has lasted me like almost 2 years. It's $33, which I think is a lot for a powder, especially, you know, that I'm not using on my face, but it's a great powder. I love Bare Minerals. I love it for my wigs. So when I saw that it was 50% off, I did get another Cool Beige 10 because I am going to be panning this one. And I got 2 other colors because I actually wanted to try to use it on my face too. I got Butterscotch and Sandstone. I got those. Next I got one of the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencils. I use these, I use these constantly. They're normally 20-something dollars, so they were only $12 on the sale. So I got one from Ulta and then a couple from Sephora because they carry different shades. So this is number 3, Warm Light Brown. I was completely out of Precisely My Brow. I have a lot of these goof proof ones, but not the Precisely My Brow, so I got that. I also got this Good Molecules Wake Me Up Gel. It's not in here because I got it for my boyfriend, but I heard a lot of good things about that. Good Molecules product that I did get that for me to try is the Overnight Exfoliating Treatment. It's got the AHA and the BHA, so I want to start to try and put this into my routine. And then last but not least from Ulta, I got the Cetaphil Redness Relieving Daily Facial Moisturizer with a broad spectrum SPF 20 neutral tint, redness prone skin, even the skin. And Dr. Dre talked a lot about this, and like she had a lot of good things to say about it. I really like the Cetaphil line, so I wanted to try this one out as well. From Sephora, I got this eyeshadow palette, which I'm using now, which I love. I love Violet Voss. I've been waiting on this eyeshadow palette. It's not a new palette, but I've been waiting to get it for a long time because it is like 40-something dollars, so it was 50% off. I didn't even know they were having Violet Voss as a 50% off. I used it for this eye look, and so you can check that video out. But it's just like such a fall dream. The Violet Voss shadows are amazing, and I wish more people would talk about them because they really are. The packaging is horrid, but their quality is amazing. So I got that one. I got another Precisely My Brow, which I used in the video, and this is same in the color 3 Warm Light Brown. I got some other colors, but I got this one. I use 3 different colors because I think like I like to use different colors for my brows. A, because when I'm wearing different wigs, but B, because your brows are not like a stark one color. The other thing I got was this Natasha Denona Foundation X. It's full coverage. I got it in the shade 75Y, which is a dark yellow undertone, and this is a discontinued product. She's discontinuing this, so it's really, really cheap, and I wanted to try it out. I heard great things about it, and this is the one I got. This is a full coverage foundation, and I basically mixed it with my Too Faced Do You foundation. This is, I normally use this, which is the Peach Perfect, but I do like to use this Do You as well, but this is a little bit too dewy and light for me, so I use it to mix in with like darker color foundations, and the Do You that I have is in a very light shade, so when I mixed it in with this, I'm wearing it right now. I think it's perfect and I love it, and it gave me a full coverage but not cakey, so I'm really happy. I might actually grab another shade of this, but we shall see because I'm really enjoying it. Next I got 2 of these because I love this Keihl's creamy eye treatment, the avocado cream for under eyes. I love it, love it, love it. This is the size that they sell for $32, which is so expensive. And then it also has this avocado nourishing hydrating mask. I never tried that, but this set together retails for $35, so basically the same price as the small avocado cream, and it lasts like forever because it is thick and rich. I use it at night, like it is amazing. But they had these on sale for $22 for both these. It's insane. So I actually got 2, so this one's not opened. The other one I already opened because I love the cream. I love it. I did get this, and I have never tried this product before, and this is the Urban Decay 16-hour inked brow. It's 60-hour wear. Who's wearing their brows for 60 hours? I don't know. Intensely long lasting waterproof gel. I got her in the color Cafe Kitty warm medium brown. This is like the before and after. I am using it. I do really like it. I used it in conjunction with a couple other products that you can see in that Get Ready With Me, but this is the product right here, so I'm really excited to continue to use this. And the other sample thing that I got was the Anastasia Beverly Hills, their brow definer, their triangular brow pencil in the color soft brown. People talk about these all the time. I've never really tried them because the full size is so expensive, but I've been using this, and I was able to get 2 because I had enough point perks to get 2, so I do have a backup one, and I'm using this one. It looks like that. There's actually quite a bit of product in this little thing. It's similar to my Benefit Goof Proof, but I'm enjoying that. The next thing I got was I did get another Precisely My Brow. Like I said, Sephora and Ulta carry different shades. I'm not sure why, but this one is in the shade 2.75 Warm Auburn. When I'm wearing blonder wigs, I like to do more of an auburn brow, so I did get that one. This is what the Precisely My Brow looks like. Then the next thing that I got is they had these Clinique Eye creams on sale, 50% off. They had the regular All About Eyes, which I've used in the past, which I have right here. I used it to prep my eyes, and I'll use it like during the day, so I'm excited to use that. I have one eye cream. I think it's an Ole Hendrickson one. It was like a little one. It was like a deluxe sample or whatever, but I'm almost out of it, so this will replace for my daytime. And then this one is the All About Eyes, and this is the Rich. It says reduce circles, puffiness. This is like thicker version, so I wanted to try and use that at night. The other thing that I got, this was just like a point perk thing. This was the Fenty Glow Boss Cream. I use the gloss bombs, but I wanted to try out the cream, and this was in the deluxe sample size, and this is in the shade, it just says Fenty Glow 2. And it looks like that. Just want to try out that. Then they gave me the sample of this face essence from Keihl's. Oh, it's got like the lactic acid, and it has squalene oil. Squalene's really, really good for your skin. It's a very hydrating oil. So there's like a little sample thing of that. So I'll use that. Then I got this little sample size of the Benefit They're Real Supercharged Black Mascara. I don't use mascara usually because I use lashes, but I have been wanting to use mascara with my lashes. With false lashes. My lashes like aren't long or anything. But I wanted to get like the little thing because I don't use mascara that much, and it like goes to waste. So I wanted just when they had the deluxe sample, I thought, oh, this one would be cool. Let me try that. Then I got this, which I am loving. I've already been using this. This is the MAC Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. I've never used a MAC Paint Pot. I've heard so many good things about them. I am loving how it's making my eyeshadow look and last. So I'm definitely leaving this out. This is going to be like an everyday situation. I got this Urban Decay All Nighter powder. I tried it and I am in love with it. Check out that video to see how I applied it. But I'm so glad this was 50% off. I'm so glad that I scooped this up. It's a waterproof setting powder. It's just like a translucent powder. I have very oily skin, and I'm loving how this is working so far. So definitely leaving this out. Then I am wearing what this is. I love this so much. This is Too Faced Melted Matte Limited Edition Long Wearing Matte Lipstick, and this is in the color Cinnamon Bun. I have like all of their like holiday ones because I love them so much, and this one is so pretty. So I'm so excited to have this one. This is what it looks like. It smells good. It's the full size. Last year I got the Gingerbread Man. That was their limited edition for last year. And then 2 years ago, they had like a set that had 4. And I got Sugar Cookie, the Hot Buttered Rum, the Pumpkin Spice, and this one's the Cinnamon Bear. I love the formula. I love the lipsticks. I love the smell. I just love them. I love just a basic neutral lip. So this one's going to get so much use. She's going right in with her friends. And the last 2 things that I got that I'm so excited about. This whole thing started because I wanted the Bare Minerals powder, but I also wanted this. This is the Norvia palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been wanting this for so long. When they had it for 50% off, I was like, I can't pass it up. It's a $40-something palette, and I got it for $22, I think. I've been wanting this palette for so long. I've been going back and forth and back and forth. I have other Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes that I love. The Prism palette, which was a holiday release at the same year as Subculture, which I absolutely love Subculture too, but I love the Prism palette. I wanted the Sultry, but I didn't get it. That was a holiday release, but I've been wanting this one so much. It looks like this. If you want to see a video with this, then let me know. I can do that. So when I saw it for $22, I was like, yeah, let me scoop it up. It's something I've wanted for a very long time, so I'm excited to have that. And then the last thing I got was another palette that I've been wanting for a long time. And this is the Natasha Denona Love palette. This is her $64 palette. Like, it's just way too expensive. But they had this weird flash sale on this palette, and it was $32, and I just couldn't pass it up. I love Natasha Denona. I have a few of her mini palettes. I've had her Sunset palette. I have my Eye on the Glam palette and also the Bronze palette, but I won't purchase them unless they're on sale. This one I've been wanting for quite a while. And the nice thing about Natasha Denona is like you can pop these out. So even like her mini ones, you can move the shadows around. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I used it a little bit already. I'm excited to continue to use it. It's like, see those purples, the duochromes there. It's like such a weighty, like high quality palette. I'm glad that I got that one. So that's what I got from these 2 sales. If you got anything from the 21 Days of Beauty sale or from any Sephora sales, go ahead and let me know what you got down below. If you like these types of little videos, just thrown in here and there, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. If you have, you're my doll baby, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!